How to turn off typing assistant on UC browser app. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is so simple. Just go to UC browser. Now this is the home page. As you can see, go down here and click on those three lines, click on them. Now go to the settings option, and here on this page you will find many options. As you can see, choose the second one, click on browsing settings. Now scroll down until you find typing assistant right here, as you can see. Now click here and it's turned it off successfully. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching until the end. See you later.